Guys, we have been blessed because look at this. New Life of Luxury came out 2 days ago. And nobody told me about this? Like, come on. Nobody told me about this. Nobody told me that new Life of Luxury came out. But also, we have also been blessed because it has been 7 months since the last Life of Luxury video came out. I have not seen this new video that came out 2 days ago. I have not seen it. I have not seen anybody do anything about it. This is gonna be whoa reaction here. With the other ones that I've done, I have seen them because I've watched my girl Lauren Z-Side, my Galaxy Queen, how do Life of Luxury, as is evident as whole video and be downhill. But today is going to be a complete new reaction that I have never seen. I mean, I saw that they will upload a new video soon, but I was like, oh, Life of Luxury. Because their content is just so good. It's so good. It's such good content. As always, I will link their channel down in the description below in case you guys want to go watch it without having me on your own if y'all want to. So, let's get started, shall we? It is called Whole Stuffed Animal Comes to Life at Night. So let's get started with my boys, Eburger and Jester, and see what kind of shenanigans we're going to get into this video. Let's go. We're not even 10 seconds into the video, and what is this? What is that? It looks like a worm. What is she feeding it? It looks like it's a worm. Oh God.
Can you tell us what's going on?
Oh, my boy Parker with the turtleneck and them glasses? Oh, looking snazzy.
Your daughter.
It's a stuffed animal. I don't know where she found that thing.
Her stuffed animal.
What's the mom look like?
I think it's alive. Have you tried separating her from the
Said
sunlight?
what, buddy?
Not. Let me take a leaf.
She will not. Oh shoot! She's getting eaten. Oh, and she's dead. Y'all did a terrible job. Once again.
Do you hear that?
It's a worm!
Dude, I think it's Helen.
My boy Parker with the glasses and that turtleneck?
She's in here.
Oh, Helen's dead. Helen's dead. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. She's dead.
Hello, Lux Army. Thank you
Hashtag
so
Lux
much
Army.
for 8 million subscribers. We're
You're
glad
welcome.
you guys love these videos. So for
We love
more,
it.
let's try to hit 10 million subs next. And let's hit
I'm a part of
100,000
that
likes
8
for the next
million.
episode to be released. So
Yay.
for this episode, we received
I'm
an
ready.
email from a mother named Helen who is concerned about her
Big
daughter's unhealthy attachment to one of her stuffed animals. Helen isn't sure where her daughter found this stuffed animal, but she refuses to be separated from it, and she named it Wiggles. Her daughter doesn't let the stuffed animal leave her sight, and any attempt the mom has made to separate her from it leads to her screaming hysterically until she's allowed to be with it again.
Okay. This girl looked like she was like my age. Why is she acting like a toddler when she gets her stuffed animals taken away? I mean, I have cinnamon roll and I have Fazdad here sitting on my desk. If anybody tried to take my little stuffed animals here, I'd just be like, why? Can I have it back, please? I wouldn't be like a child.
She's worried her daughter is losing her mind, and she sent us this video for proof.
Honey?
What is she feeding it? See? This girl looks like my age. Maybe even a little younger. Sorry I keep pausing it so much.
Oh my god.
But I'm just like,
Now, Helen mentioned that her husband recently went missing, and she thinks this has caused her daughter to have attachment and abandonment issues. She's
I
worried for her
guarantee
daughter's
you
mental
the dad
health,
went
so she
missing.
wants us to drive to her house and
But
observe how her
stuffed
daughter
animal
behaves
missing.
when she's alone with Wiggles. Let's go.
I guarantee you the Wiggles, the worm-looking stuffed animal that's freaky looking, I guarantee you it ate the dad. Get it.
Dude, why are you
My
not filming Sonny's
boys!
daughter? It's just a stuffed animal.
This isn't about a stuffed animal. This is about a young girl's mental health.
What do you know about mental health? It's your parents' job to worry about.
Come on, Chester. The man's got a turtleneck and glasses on now. He looks like a psychiatrist. Am I not wrong?
That.
Her mom is worried.
He looks.
That's why she
classy.
emailed us. And her dad went missing.
Did you ever think maybe your dad went missing for a reason?
I mean,
You
he's
don't
got
know
a
what you're talking
point.
about. Let's just drive there and meet
Come on,
them.
Porgal. Man's got a point. Man's got a point.
Your destination is on the right.
All right, we're here. Let's go
Oh,
inside and meet
I was
them.
like, let me take a guess. It's probably somewhere out in the
Alright.
middle of nowhere. So I was right. I like the grab to the camera. 10:09 p.m. outside. the
Okay,
house.
let's knock.
I'd love to meet them. Just my boys, Parker Chestel. Just, I love y'all's videos. They opened up the door very creepy. I'm sorry. Only 4 minutes in and I'm pausing it so much. I'm sorry. But I have a lot to talk about. Why she look like she ain't got no teeth? She's like, I mean, no hate to her if she ain't got no teeth, but like, what? Why she look like that?
Hi. Are you Helen?
Yes, I am she.
Can we come in and talk about what's going on?
Yes, but be quiet. I think my daughter's asleep.
Okay, we'll be quiet. Come on.
I'm sorry. Why did she say I am she? Just want to throw that out there. Also, it took them like 5 minutes to get into the house. They arrived at the house at 10:09. They got inside the house at 10:12. So, it took them 3 minutes to get inside the house. Just saying. Why she look like that?
Okay, Helen, thank you for sitting down with us.
Parker's just like,
So, can
Oh,
you
you
tell
can't
us
see it.
what's
It's
going
like
on
sitting
with
out
your
like-
daughter?
It's this stuffed animal.
those the big old eyes.
Attached to it. I don't know where she found that thing. I think she found it in the basement.
Oh, great. Not the basement.
She calls him Wiggles.
So he's a
What has
worm.
she been doing with this
He
stuff?
is a worm.
Everything. She plays with it. She sleeps with it. I even caught her bathing with it.
Oh.
What?
She will not let me take it away from her.
Have you tried separating her from this stuffed animal?
Yes, but she starts screaming and scratching until I return it. Sometimes at night, it sounds like there's a man in there with her. She locks herself in her room with it all day.
Does she not
I'm
eat?
beginning to think
This is
Oh, there she is.
It's her daughter.
She went down without the stuffed animal? Where is
What is she
it?
doing?
Where is it?
she's feeding it again.
Mom's just over there like, Parker Cheto just like,
Dude, look how much food she has.
That's the fourth time she's done that today.
Bro, I want to see what she's doing with that food.
We're still talking here.
Just wait.
Justin,
dude, I want to see what this is.
I think she wanted to hear.
10:27. No, I don't want to see it again. I don't want to see it again. It looks so weird. Why can't I see her eyes? She got. Hold on. What's over her eyes? Huh? Move my microphone out of the way. What is that? What is that? That's over her eyeballs. Mom's over there like having a breakdown. It's not a pet. It's a stuffed animal. Oh God, it's spotted Chestel.
just wait here.
Chestel's gotten eaten. Chestel's gotten eaten. Oh, I was like Chestel's gotten eaten. He's dead.
Chester, what's wrong?
Dude, it's her stuffed animal. She's feeding it.
Let me see.
Church with them glasses, man. I also found when I was cleaning out my room a little pair of these glasses. This is what Chester looks like right now.
What's the problem? She's sleeping.
Bro, you don't understand. She was feeding it, and it was
He has
eating.
some glasses
Dude,
like this.
she was probably just playing with it. Let's start setting up some cameras.
But
This is
bro,
how Chester looks like. Parker. Whichever one. Parker looks like. This is what it looks like. He has like these glasses.
Okay, come on.
Also, these used to have a bow on them, as you guys can see, like right there. They don't anymore, and I don't know where they went. But also, these are fake glasses. I got them like clothes.
bro, you're not getting it. Her stuffed animal was eating that food. I think it's alive.
I just got like
Well,
sidetracked.
even though you're being ridiculous
See,
right
that's what it looks
now,
like on
she
the
shouldn't be
picture.
wasting her mother's food.
What's ridiculous?
Here, help me find a lock. All right, there. Now there's no way she can get in there again.
We're gonna lock the fridge. Oh! Oh, I get to see her eyes now.
She's right there.
She's like, oh. I'm sorry, what the heck?
Why was she peeping at us? I think we upset her.
She's probably just not used to strangers in her house.
You probably did.
Let's just
You
go see.
locked the fridge.
I gotta check something first.
Oh, Chester!
I think it's still in here.
I'm so stressed. That's why I'm holding my L. I keep playing with it, but I don't know what else to do because I'm so stressed. Ew. Oh, that's quite cool.
Chester?
Chester, you good, buddy? Chester, no! You're gonna get killed. I'm gonna be like the mom. Chester! What are you doing? Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Chester! What are you doing?
What are you doing in here?
Bro, this thing just moved.
Let's just go to bed. Come on.
Chester! What are you doing? This is when it happens. We go to sleep. They always share a bed. My boys. Oh. Mom, it looks like she's dead. Why do they always sleep like that? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's in the closet. Ma'am, there was a demon living in your stuffed animal. I mean, like, what? Why? You look like you're dead. Y'all don't see anything wrong with this. Oh, just. Y'all don't feel that. Mom still looks like she's dead. That's what it's doing. Y'all don't heal that. Like, for real. Y'all don't heal that. Oh. Mom? You good? It's like, you won't give me any food? I'll eat you. That's what I'll do. Mom looks like she's dead. Dartle is dead. And there it goes. It's loose. It's loose. And they're just sleeping peacefully. Mom doesn't even look like she's breathing. Like she straight up looks like she's dead. What are you standing on? Yeah, Chester, you better heal that, man. Swell.
Bro, wake up. Do you hear that?
What is that?
That's the stuffed animal that ate the Dottle. And is now slithering its way.
Come on.
Probably to go
We
kill
gotta go
the
check
mom
on Ellie.
next. Yeah, get your glasses.
Bro, no.
Chester, go with him. For the love of God.
Bro, wait. Let's go in a row.
Yeah, get the claymore, get the glasses. She's gone. Because she's dead.
She's not in here.
Yeah, because she's
Where
dead.
do you think she went?
The stuffed animal thing ate her. Ew. Why does it look like that? All nasty looking. It's her hair. Mom? I'm sorry. Did it just stand up and open that door? What? I need to go back. It did!
Dude, I think it's Helen.
I was too busy looking at the mom. Is she like I was like, is she okay? It's standing up! I'll just stand there and scream! Run! Oh, she's dead. Oh, she's dead. Dead, 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 dead. Yeah, just stay there and don't do anything.
Did that thing get hurt too?
Y'all better run. It's too late. Ah! Run, Michael! Chester! Where's Sparkle? Where's Sparkle? Since filming, we haven't heard from Helen or her daughter. Yeah, I wonder why, because they're dead. We went on social media, reached out to some of Helen's family members. They had a son that went missing too.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's try to smash 100,000 likes for the next episode to be
I bet
released.
that
We're on the road to
stuffed
10
animal
million
ain't that
subs, so make sure to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. The video's over now, so you don't need to keep watching.
Oh my god! These videos just keep getting better and better. Oh my god! Oh my god. What the... I don't even know anymore what do. Do not trust anything that you find in the basement. anybody. Just don't. Just don't. I just, you know what's also funny? It's the fact that they stood there and did nothing. They just let it happen. And then they ran. That's what part I think is funny. They didn't even try to help or anything. They saw it. They didn't do anything, and then they ran back to the car. But Parker looking snazzy with them glasses and that turtleneck, man. Look like a straight up like psychiatrist. But that does it for this video of my boys Parker and Chestel with The Life of Luxury. Who knows when we'll get another video. But as always, I will link their channel down in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I have no idea what just happened.